come on in a little bit, and we're going to talk about this red, white, and booze cruise coming up in
language.
May. Huh? Oh man,
red, white, and booze.
Now you are a big fan of the Moonshine Bandits, correct?
I do like.
You do.
I do.
And now I am a new fan of the Moonshine Bandits. You know, I've listened to some of their music. I never knew who they were, and then I finally started really get into it, and now that's all I'm playing. Oh, that is my backyard. Yes. That is my backyard.
It is in our garage bar all the time. My husband got me into them about 8 years ago when we first started dating, and the Dive Bar Beauty Queen. Oh. He dedicated that to me, and it was love at first song.
There you go.
I mean,
so you fell in love with the song.
It's pretty accurate.
It is. It really is. But you know, the music that they play really gets you upbeat, and it's
cruising music too.
It's definitely
getting on your bike, and you got that doom like Geronimo.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Every one of their songs makes you want to crack open a moonshine bottle and just look and just hang out and have a great time.
You know who has moonshine? It's Chaz Taylor. Oh. So we need to get Chaz Taylor, Moonshine Bandits.
Oh my God, that that would be one hell of a party. But it really, when you talk about Jimmy Buffett, like Jimmy Buffett always brought the parties to the beach.
More of a tropical. This is
more
biker bar vibe.
Four-wheeling. Get in the mud, get dirty, let's drink, let's have a great time, and let's be patriotic. Mm-hmm. And we want to play a quick song. It's called Red, White, and Booze. And I'll tell you, after you hear the song, you're really going to want to get out there and book your cruise. So let's hit that song, and then we're going to bring on our guest right after that.
Here we go. Straw hats, flip-flops, coolers and brews. Tan lines and tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and boozed. Sunshine, good times, tied up pontoons. Tan lines and tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and boozed. Hey.
Got the whole boat bouncing like a trampoline. Light up the stash like it's gasoline. Boom, boom, like the fourth Uncle Sam and we. Lit like a fire on the sandy beach. Ain't no lightweight, does it the right way. Post Malone, I got another Bud Light rays. Tats on the back end, high and sideways. The tan on the thigh still bright from light rays. Make them waves when the Spotify plays. In your black bikini, in your black fly shade. Show the rest of the world how you love to get loose. All American girl, red, white, and boozed.
Straw hats, flip-flops, coolers and brews. Tan lines and tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and boozed. Pontoons, tan lines, tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and booze.
Look at little mama, she got a little drama. Now hop your big booty up in the super duty. We gon' take it to the lake for the day, then later on the night we all gon' get right. Fire up the green, call up the team. Might see some things you ain't never seen, like 3 girls playing Twisted Naked. Heard birds saying I can't take it. Text screaming out shake it, shake it. Good Lord, I hope we all make it. Don't worry about us, we gon' be fine. Shout out to them girls with tattoos and tan lines.
Straw hats, flip-flops, coolers and brews. Tan lines, tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and blue. Sunshine, good times, tied up pontoons. Tan lines, tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and blue. Straw hats, flip-flops, coolers and brews. Tan lines, tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and blue. Sunshine, good times, tied up pontoons. Tan lines, tattoos, yeah, she's red, white, and blue.
Drinks on the
Popping
deck
bottles.
and just hang out and have a good time. I don't know what would.
I'm ready.
Man, well, we want to bring on Laurie Montoya, who's got a few guests for us today. What's going on, Laurie?
Hey guys, how are you? I'm in my red, white, and blue.
Doing awesome.
Oh my God, I got to work on my dance moves after watching that video.
Gotta get the kicking point.
Yeah, hey, are you going to be able to do that? What do they call that? The butt thing, the butt movement?
twerking?
Yeah, can you do the? Can you
I can twerk.
Twerk.
twerk? Can you twerk?
W.
I can.
Is Laurie going to twerk?
They call me Hurricane.
I want to see that. So
I would be happy. I could do it now, but it's a live show. But anyway, just very quickly, we lost our high seas rally, and we've been really trying to figure out what's going to navigate us to keep us all together. And I found the Red, White, and Booze cruise, and quite a few of my Colorado friends went on the Booze cruise. And I am a huge fan of Moonshine Bandits because they play at Sturgis every year at the campground Glencoe where I camp at. They play here in Denver at least 2 or 3 times a year. They're just good guys, and it makes you want to see them over and over, and they're accessible. So I found the Red, White, and Booze cruise, reached out to Mary, and Mary is going to be our first guest. And do you guys remember Mystery Date, where there was the door and it was either Mr. Right or not? Well, we have a mystery guest today.
Yes.
And we're real excited. So we're going to bring Mary on. She's going to answer some of the, basic questions about the cruise. And then I'm going to have you guys do a drum roll, and then we'll bring on our mystery guest.
All
so
right, well,
bring on Mary.
Come on, Mary.
Hey,
Mary. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm so glad to finally get to meet you in person, even though it's not in person, but I've talked to you so many times, and you've been so helpful in getting this organized for our booking code Full Throttle. And I think the guys at the 99, they've reserved and they're ready to go. And we're just here to support you guys and get more of the word out to maybe somebody who might be hesitant to pull the trigger on the cruise because they're not going to know. So my first question for you is tell us, for those hearing about the Red, White, and Booze cruise, which cruise line have you guys chosen?
Royal Caribbean, Liberty of the Seas.
Okay.
The dates are May 15 to the 20th of next year.
Okay.
Sailing out of Galveston. It's going to Costa Maya and
I
Cozumel.
really like that. I really like that because, our other cruises are always going out of Florida, and there's so many people that come from all over. It's kind of centrally located. And I know that the 99 is out of Dallas. So they're just going to get their booze cruise transportation and head straight down. So that's really great.
We wanted to make the official announcement on the show.
Oh,
but no, you're okay. You took the cat out of the bag already, Laurie, but that's okay. We wanted to make the initial announcement on the show that the 99 will be booking 2 days after the show, the Red, White, and Booze cruise official. We will be on. I reached out to another guy who was a high seas rally guy from New York. He is an actor and a comedian. When I told him about this cruise, he's like, I'm booking. I'm flying to you guys, and we're partying all week. And Frank Fiella, you remember Frankie?
yeah.
Yeah, Frankie Fiella, comedian, actor. He's flying in from New York. We're going to drive down to Galveston together, and we're going to board that boat and have a great time.
That's awesome.
And Mary, what kind of cabins do you still have available? Because, there's so many people coming that I know you guys get a lot of rebooks.
Yeah. There's in the group space, you're only allowed to hold certain things. So we have the ocean view balcony staterooms on deck 6 and deck 7. And those are the ones that are right now on the flash sale. We don't know how long it's going to last. It's $300 off the normal price. So I'm telling people, get booking. Normally it's $24.24 for 2 people. It's on sale for $21.24. That does include the prepaid gratuities and, of course, all access to Moonshine Bandit events. There's also some rooms with a window and an inside stateroom. And right now they're only a little bit lower. So I'm pushing people to the ocean view balcony.
So those of you watching the High Seas Rally last year, a balcony cabin room was $6,000.
Yeah.
So
and there also is all kinds of suites, junior suites, grand suites available, which we can sell and move into the group. And if anybody wants anything like that, they just has to ask me for the price. I'll give them the price and they can make the decision.
And Mary, how do they get a hold of you?
Easiest way is with email, Mary at airwavetravel.com. .com.
And
So that's
what
Mary
booking code do they have to use?
Oh, Full Throttle. You know, I actually ask everybody anyway, because sometimes they don't actually mention it. You know, some of the names I know from last year with the Moonshine Bandits, but any of the new names, I definitely ask them. So we make sure
really
that.
appreciate that.
And
Our goal is to help you sell out a ship.
yeah, we're trying. We're very excited and very appreciative of this because, you know, every booking is one closer to our goal, and I'm thrilled to have your help.
Thank you so much. Okay, you guys ready to do the drum roll?
Well, you know, I'm just thinking before we do the drum roll, I'm going to keep people in suspense a little bit.
Okay.
You know, at the prices for these cabins, I can't believe you're not sold out already. That's one thing, because
And I love that you can make payment plans.
if you go onto the website and you look at the Red, White, and Booze cruise, the amount of amenities that are on this ship, for the price for two, I mean, you can't beat that anywhere.
If our show can afford it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Afford it.
This is going to sell out really quick. And the flash sale is even better because now you're saving money.
$300.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And the other cool part about this ship, it's over in Europe right now being refurbished. So it's going to come back all sparkly new with, you know, new bars, new restaurant.
Okay, that's all I do.
Sold.
They probably shouldn't have refurbished it for us.
I was thinking that too. They probably should have waited after the booze cruise to refurbish.
We'll keep that a secret.
But thanks.
Cool. And okay, so Mary at Airwave Travel used the code Full Throttle.
Mm-hmm.
And do you guys have any other? And Mary, how long do you know if how long is the flash sale going on?
I have no idea. When the cabins are gone, they're gone, and then we'll have to go back to the 24 price for two.
And the drink package is not included. And I want to give you a real quick opportunity to explain that, because I think it's a very important. Many people are used to having the drink package included. And I know from our people, you've gotten a lot of questions about that. So would you explain why you guys did not include that?
Yeah, the reason the drink package is not included is there's quite a few people who actually don't drink. So to force them to pay for a drink package is very unfair, and you're not getting anything for free.
Right.
So when it's included, Royal Caribbean actually charges full price for the drink package. So what we're suggesting is to wait until the Black Friday sales. They start about 3 weeks before Thanksgiving. Those have every year been the best price for the drink packages, or you can combine it with Wi-Fi. There's all different kinds of ways you can do it, but just wait.
Well, you're also
buy it then.
With the $300 that they're saving, now you also get like the Black Friday. So in that way, you are really helping people get that drink package. So if you're one of those people who love to drink on a cruise, because I saw these people that on Carnival the other day, they got a beer every 5 minutes and went home, went back to their room with like 3 cases of beer. So people take that drink package really seriously.
Really serious. Yeah.
The truth of the matter is you're paying for it, even if they tell you it's free. So with that being said, Mary, we'd love for you to stay on in case our guest has any questions for you.
Okay.
And with that being said, Mary suggested, and drum roll, Mary suggested that we bring in Bird from Moonshine Bandits. So come on up. Bird.
All right.
There he is.
What's up, y'all?
Hey,
Can you guys hear me okay?
what's going
Can you
on,
hear me?
man?
Can you hear me?
Perfect.
Yes.
And
All right,
we
right
can
on.
see you.
First off, real quick, before I jump in, you start asking questions. I was in the backstage area. For you two that were up there talking about Dive Bar Beauty Queen, you've been listening to our music for a long time. Thank you guys. Very flattered by that. We appreciate it. You know what I mean? Me and Dusty never thought that we were going to be doing this thing as a full career. And when we started off just having fun, that's what we continue to have. And like, it's just the longevity of what we've been able to do is incredible. All thanks to God for that. You know what I'm saying? And it just being able to meet good people out on the highway, keep us going. And so I appreciate your guys' kind words. Laurie, nice to meet you. Put a face to the voice right now, you know. So
I got in my red, white, and booze for you.
Right on. I like that. And also, too, the reason why it hasn't sold out yet is we barely put this one for sale, the cruise, like 3 weeks ago. So we literally have sold a ton of cabins already. So we're getting close to our mark. We're halfway to where we want to be, and that's 3 weeks. So our last cruise, this is our 4th annual Red, White, and Booze cruise, and I'm really proud. I'm pumped that you guys are going to be coming too. The 99. Yeah. We're going to have a lot of fun out there. Well, we'll have a ton of fun out on the seas. I don't know if you like to ride scooters or bikes or whatever. We get on Cozumel and go cruise around the island and get lost somewhere at a tiki bar on the far side. You know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Well, that was one of the questions that I wanted to ask you is talk to us a little bit about what theme nights and, our cruisers always have loved to dress up. And I know you and I talked about the red, white, and blue night. And tell us a little bit about what you guys have in store.
Okay. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So we're still kind of in the infant stages with this cruise and all the planning so far. But what we have is we have some staple things. For instance, in the past, we've had deals where you can sign up and do whiskey tastings with us that Royal Caribbean provides. We go and do that. And that's incredible. We've did that. That's wonderful. You can go and sit in. We can do we're planning on possibly doing a scavenger hunt on the boat, win some really cool prizes. But one of the key things that happens is that at one of the ports, which we'll announce, we do a day drinking excursion with Big Tex. He hosts it. And so everybody goes to, the beach club, or if it's going to be this last year, we went to Papa's and Beer down in Ensenada, and it's just a riot. You take over a bar with 150, 200 people. It's so much fun. Everybody can go do whatever they want to do. And everybody does do that and go shopping. And down at Cozumel, you got the Mayan ruins, Costa Playa, you got the Mayan ruins down there as well. There's all kinds of, things you can get yourself into. So, but as far as on the ship, yes, on our show day, we have one day it will be the concert. And on our show day, everyone dresses up red, white, and booze. You get everybody's red, white, and blue, patriotic, and head to toe, and everybody goes to concert. And what's really cool is to see all the workers on Royal Caribbean. A lot of them are from different countries, and they're blown away to see how Americans are so patriotic with red, white, and blue, and how we're not afraid to wear our colors. And a lot of people love that. And you can march around the ship. We quote unquote have a parade. We can't tell Royal Caribbean that, but we'll march from a certain part of the ship all the way to the show, and then we'll do the show. We also will be hosting a VIP meet and greet. It's an extra charge, but it's a chance for people to get some cool swag and hang out with me and Dusty after the show and get some photos and stuff like that. But we'll be providing that info a little bit down the road. It's a lot of fun. And also too, we incorporated this last cruise is we'll do a last pour before the shore party. So it's basically, everybody wears black. It's like a funeral because it's our last night together, but you know what I'm saying? So we'll do something like that. It'll be a blackout night for the last night. We'll all get together and have, cocktail hour or something like that at a place. We're still trying to work that out right now.
Well, I just want to tell you how excited we are, those of us that have cruised that other cruise line that we no longer can do, just to have a safe place to fall. And so we're so honored that you have opened up your arms to us and said, hey, get on our ship, come have fun, because our cruisers love Royal Caribbean. Yeah. Tell us a little bit about, because, as bikers, and I know you know this, we always love to ride for a cause every weekend. So tell us a little bit about your charity.
Right. So we've been privileged to be able to start a nonprofit back in 2011. It's called Operation Packing Company. We have 3 outposts, actually 2 real big outposts right now, but 3 outposts on the West Coast. Every single month, we assemble. We have a team of wonderful, amazing volunteers that put together care packages for our deployed soldiers. And I believe we service close to 800 people per month right now. And that is incredible. It's landed us on Laura Trump's podcast a couple times to be able to talk about that. She's given us a platform with that, which was great, beautiful. But we've had just tremendous success with sending these boxes over and actually seeing soldiers come back and be at our shows and be able to talk to them and just You know, there's elementary students that'll write letters to the troops. You know, there are people that are packing all kinds of different love items. But to have these soldiers come back and be like, you know what, the number one thing I want to tell you is thank you for caring about us. And like some of these folks, they don't got a lot of family. I mean, some people turn to the military as a last resort, and it turns them out into being really, really strong individuals. You know, so.
Absolutely.
Shout out to those amazing, brave, you know, men and women that go and serve our country. And like this is something we always say at our concerts. You know, you could be red or blue, but you know we're all red. So that's the main thing, and we stay focused with that. We can all move forward together as a country.
You couldn't have said that any better, Birdman. We are a very patriotic red, white, and blue station. We are all for our troops, 100% veteran and first responder. And that's what I like about the Red, White, and Blue Booze Cruise.
It's totally up our alley.
It's, you know, like-minded individuals really, really inspiring each other to keep doing either God's work or charity work or basic humanity work, you know?
And patriotism.
Right.
Don't forget patriotism.
Right.
So incredibly
Yeah, I mean, we
lost.
I love to say this on stage before we do our song "Colors Don't Run." That's one of our songs that we do, or we do "Pass the Ammo." And before we do it, you know, I stand up and I announce our charity, and I say we are unapologetically American. You know, my family came here in 1632. My ancestors fought the British back. My ancestors fought against the oppressive, you know, the secession of the South. My ancestors helped reconstruct after the Civil War, and we're sheriffs down in Texas. I come from a long line of fighting this fight. You know what I'm saying? So we're American, and that's great that this cruise is patriotic. You know what I mean? Because we get to go out there and sell the 7 seas with the pirates. You know what I mean? And let's go raise a little hell. It's a lot of fun. You know, the whole cruise is the one thing about this, because you know, bikers. I love all my bikers. I just played 2 big bike festivals. I played Ohio Bike Week just this last week. But you know, there's a certain edge. And speaking of bikers, we lost David Allen Coe a few weeks ago. God bless him. I'm looking at my picture of him right up here right now, and I know a lot of the guys that were there that day. And so but this is a place where you can just be free of any purges, anything like that. You can go out there and just have a wonderful time. And like, it's so much family. It's like a family unit, not a lot of kids. I'm not saying bring your kids, but you can, you know what I'm saying? But it's a good time. It's a great time. We all have each other's back, and we move as one.
You might see things that frighten fish on the Red, White, and Booze Cruise.
Hard to say.
People are on the fence about this cruise. What would you tell them, like, if they were on the fence about doing this? What would be the one thing you tell them, like, get on board?
I can tell you this right now. We had a lot of very first-time cruisers on this last cruise that went to Ensenada. That was our 3rd annual cruise. This is our 4th one now in a row. I would say, watch the videos, talk to someone that's been on it, and then I'll see you on the cruise.
Yeah.
There you go.
I mean, there's no reason to go if you're afraid you're going to get seasick. There's all kinds of shit you could get now. You put the things behind your patches, you take Dramamine. Yeah, plus we're getting off at 2 places. I mean, we're selling from Texas to Cozumel. The way the crow flies, it's not that far. You know what I mean? You can paddle that in good winds. You know what I'm saying? But
that is super tell you, as a cruise girl, I've been on like 2 cruises now. Being a motion sickness person, you can prep, and I didn't have one episode on the cruise. It's stable. It's not like flopping around what you think.
It's not a small boat. It's a huge boat.
It's a hotel.
It's a city. It's a city on the water.
They're big boats. They're big, definitely, and and it's. I would say come. You're gonna love it, and like you might come as somebody that doesn't know too many people, but you're gonna leave as being part of the gigantic Shiner family. And the Shiner Nation is incredible. It's something we are so blessed to have these amazing people follow us, support us, take care of each other. I mean, our fan base is a type of unit that you could say was like the Grateful Dead. You know, like the people that follow the parrot heads that follow, Buffett. You know what I'm saying? I mean,
Yeah.
the juggalos that follow ICP. This is exactly what our fan base is. They take care of each other, and it's amazing.
Well, I got to tell you, Bird, watching the video, the red, white, and blue booze video, man.
Oh, I know why you were hooked on that.
I was definitely hooked on that, man. There was so many flags just bouncing around, man.
Yeah.
It was a great video.
America.
Did you also see John Daly doing a belly flop?
I missed that, but I saw Colt Ford.
Yeah, John Daly's in there. John Daly came out to that video shoot. That was fun. Colt Ford called me that morning and said, "Hey, Bird, can you stop by and pick up John Daly?" And I said, "John Daly, the golfer?" And he's like, "Yeah." He said, "Yeah, he's sitting in his tour bus over at the golf course." And I said, "Shit, I guess I'll go by there." Me and my wife, she didn't know who the hell he was. I knew because I play golf, and I was like, "Oh, this is great." I picked him up, and he was sitting there smoking a cigarette, doing an interview, and it was great. He came out, he drank about 30 or 40 beers, maybe allegedly. But I do want to let you guys know too. So you guys, for some of you guys in the biker, that in the biker world, our MC of the Red White Booze Cruise for the 4th time is Goat. He's the MC from Full Throttle Saloon. Yep. And Laurie, you did say that we play Sturgis a lot. That's correct. This year we're not playing Glencoe. We had some conflicts. But we are flying out. We're playing at Monday the 10th. We're opening up. That just got sealed for 38 special at Full Throttle Saloon, and then we're playing with Brantley Gilbert in California. So we have a lot of our schedule's getting busier and busier every year. So, but we will be back out in Sturgis this year on August 10th. But
I may have to change campgrounds now. I have to crawl from your concert.
Well, it is what it is. So we're going to be there, and then we also have another guy that performs with us He performs with us. Hang on, my son's about to come in. There he is. All right, I told him to stay out, but they're out there. He's running his bass on his cars right now. So, but we also have another guy that comes in and performs with us. His name's Matt Borden. He's a country cowboy guy out of the Eastern Oregon, Redmond, Oregon, up there, cowboy, PBR kind of country, He actually does work on a cattle ranch, active cattle ranch, him and his wife, and he's a hell of a guy. He comes out, brings his guitar, sings songs everywhere. So you'll see Matt Borden do pop-up shows all over the ship, karaokeing with everybody, and he is one hell of a riot. So if you get a chance to be around him and he's got his guitar, say, "Sing me something, Matt," and he'll take you for a ride.
Well, I think it's cruising for a cause and cruising to have a really good time with the Moonshine Bandits. I know from my friends in Colorado how accessible you guys were. It isn't like you just show up, play your concert, and see you bye.
Yeah.
You party with us for 7 days. So
yes, I want to share with you something about that too. So since COVID hit, things got weird. We used to be accessible with meet and greets and all that kind of stuff, and things got weird. Everything kind of changed the way your mentality is, and I don't know why that did that, but it did. And the cruise, it's something to where, personally, I want to be there to greet every single person that comes on to our ship. You get your packet. I'm going to be there with Mary and my crew. We're going to welcome all of you there. And Dusty's all over the ship, everywhere. You'll find any bar. He can be at multiple bars at once. That guy is very, very sneaky. You know what I'm saying? He'll be on a stool somewhere. So we are very accessible. This is something where it's one of the, because it's such a cool family kind of style, atmosphere. Our guard is completely down, and it's we love to spend time with everybody. I like to see people that's only been to 2 or 3 shows and go and spend 45 minutes with them, an hour with them. You know what I mean? Walk around.
I'm expecting an hour and a half.
Yeah,
I'll fight you for him.
Hard to say. So, but I do want to shout out Mary. Mary, this is her 2nd year. We're working with her at Airwave Travel. Are you still down there, Mary?
I am.
Okay. Mary is incredible. And don't let that, her look right there fool you. She could play hardball with the best of them. So, you know what I mean? She's got a bat below her thumping right there. So But just wanted to just publicly tell you, thank you, Mary, for doing such a great job. And
Oh, you're welcome. I love
you
being
guys,
a part of it.
yeah, if you have any questions for anybody that you guys are trying to talk about this cruise to, you can ask Mary. But to be honest, I encourage you to tell everybody that if they know anything about Moonshine Bandits, come and hang out. If you like our songs, come and hang out. You're gonna love the people that come out to our shows. These people, there are people that they've been to. I'm telling you, there's 50 people that's been to 100 shows or more.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? There's 100 people or 200 people that's been to 50 shows.
Well, I have one of your
it's
number
crazy.
one fans back here. He came up at when you were at Glencoe, and he was like talking to you and everything.
Oh, right on. Right on. Well, good to see you back there, brother.
As long as you play his Outlaw song, he'll be happier than a pig in a poke.
I'll play the Outlaw song, and we'll have a little bit of this, buddy, old pal. Huh?
I'll be honored to have it, because I'm going to tell you what, you're probably the most favorite band in my mind, just because of how you do your concerts and your personality.
Thank you.
I love you guys.
I appreciate you for saying that. Thank you so much. I'm very humbled that you said that, sir. Thank you, man.
It's hard
But when we get out on the boat, I can't stir you anymore. You know what I mean? We're just equal. I'll be slapping you on your back. We'll be pounding shots of tequila. You know what I mean? I just don't eat the worm.
I'd love to do that with you. I tell you, I ride with the club, but I like the fact that you are independent. You don't care who you are.
Yeah.
That's very hard to find in this world.
Yeah.
You especially, your energy.
Thank you.
It keeps me going for 2 days after I listen to you.
Right on, man. I appreciate it. Sometimes I'm a handful for my wife. Trust me. CDB. I just come in from tour. I just got in from tour, and like she's already ready for me to get the hell back out of here. So I got to get back on a plane on Thursday morning and get out of here. So.
Well, I know you've got a lot to do, and I know we've got a little long, but I can't thank you guys enough for coming.
Yes.
You guys have any other questions for us?
I want to share, if you guys want to go check out our upcoming concerts, go to moonshinebandits.com, go to our Facebook page, Moonshine Bandits.
Colorado.
I think
check us.
November.
Hey, Bird, we looked at some of your schedule, man, and you're going to be here in November, right here in Dallas.
Yeah, I think we are. I think we're going to be back in Dallas. Come and see us. We're also playing the Galveston Rally.
The Lone Star.
I think we're playing the Biker Blowout. It's right there. They're right there. It's the same. It's the same during the Lone Star Rally. Yeah, it's right down there in Galveston.
Well, we'll definitely be at the concert here in Dallas. You have an open invite to come here and come on the show and promote it. Do whatever you want. Bring the crew on. We will help you here in Dallas.
Yeah, I'll come there. I can't guarantee I'll sing anything a cappella though. I don't sound that well anymore without my band. I'm just playing. But yeah, I'll be if we can fit it in our time, I'd be honored to step in and say hello.
We'd love to have that.
Perfect.
We'd love to have it.
Yeah.
God bless you guys. Thank you so much, Mr. Gazoo. And
thank
Bird
you guys.
Mary, you guys are my new best friends on top of everyone at the 99. And my little soccer husband got into the interview.
There you go.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. Right on. Thank you, Laurie. Thank you all. You guys take care. Thank you, Mary.
Thank you.
Yeah, brother. Mary,
you.
you get an email from me later on today.
Okay, I'll be watching.
All right.
All righty.
Thank
See
you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Laurie, man, this is going to be one hell of a cruise, Laurie. I can't wait. We got so many people excited about this. Like I said, we got Frankie Fiala flying in from New York. We are just tapping into our network of people for this cruise. So it's gonna be amazing.
And use code Full Throttle.
Full Throttle. And the flash sale right now, save yourself $300. Go on. You can put your deposit down. You don't have to pay for the whole thing. Put your deposit down. Pay it over time, but at least book your room today.
And save $300.
Save
got a flash sale going on.
Without a doubt. We're gonna take a quick break. We're gonna play your little theme song.
Oh shit! Oh,
we're gonna go with a little Moonshine Bandit theme song, a little dive bar right there. While we take a quick break, and we'll be back after these messages.
Jumping woman in a Harley, she rides alone. 81 sticker, blacked out, no chrome. Mean grip, ape hanger, ready to roam. Born to be a gypsy, long way from home. Shuffle through the iPod CA3 with a little bit of shine and some DAC. Quick to pull a pistol if you know what I mean. She's a dive bar beauty queen. She grew up in the hills driving daddy's old truck. Had that blue nose pit since he was a pup. Flip that zipper, girl, light one up. Back behind the shed where you grew up. Uncle Ronnie wore hats that were red and white. Didn't say too much, but he taught her to fight. She loved to live wrong more than she did right. Devil with a halo, gypsy in the night. I love the way a cigarette hangs down low. I love it when she dances to rock and roll. I'm loving them hips and the ripped up jeans. Just a rock and roll dive bar beauty queen.
Dive bar beauty queen, living off whiskey and nicotine. Prettiest thing you've ever seen in the dark. She likes Motorhead and Patsy Cline, smokes the kind and packs a 9, and she's got barbed wire wrapped around her heart.
When she slides in through the back door of a dive bar late at night, there's thunder pumping in my heart from the lightning in her stride, and her smooth silky silhouette is shining through her cigarette smoke. And there's cause for concern when the boys act like a fool, cause the venom from her kiss knocks their asses off their stool. Then she'll drink their shots of whiskey, then play some DAC, and then she'll ride.
Dive bar beauty queen, living off whiskey and nicotine. Prettiest thing you've ever seen in the dark. She likes Motorhead and Patsy Cline, smokes the kind and packs a 9, and she's got barbed wire wrapped around her heart.
She's a honky-tonkin' blue-collar angel, dive bar beauty, don't fit any labels. Whiskey woman ain't scared of the devil, legend in her own, living life as a rebel.
Long blonde hair, standing 5'9", bright green eyes, switchblade on her thigh. Says she's a rebel and she loves to shine. At the hole in the wall, going overdrive. She grew up fast and she grew up mean. Mama looking clean when she hits the scene. Still got a body that looks 19. Just a rock and roll dive bar beauty queen. Pearl snaps pop because her blouse is loose. Rhinestones don't even shine like you. Bikers, rednecks, cowboys too. Can't get enough of her Daisy Dukes. I love it when her G-string hangs down low. I love it when she dances to rock and roll. I'm loving them hips and them ripped up jeans. Just a rock and roll dive bar beauty queen. Dive bar beauty queen, living off whiskey and nicotine. Prettiest thing you've ever seen in the dark. She likes Motorhead and Patsy Cline, smokes the kind and packs a 9, and she's got barbed wire wrapped around her heart. Dive bar beauty queen, living off whiskey and nicotine.